Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you concerned your diet provides more sodium than potassium, or your doctor has advised you to eat a low sodium diet, but you're not sure which foods to eat? This video compares 44 minimally processed foods providing more potassium than sodium. By minimally processed, I mean foods you buy from a farmer's market or supermarket. Restaurant foods are excluded because most provide more sodium than potassium, and the amount of potassium is not publicly available. Low sodium means the sample foods in this video provide 140 milligrams per serving or less. Each example has the name of the food and whether it's raw or cooked, the serving size, the amount of sodium per serving, the amount of potassium per serving, and the ratio of potassium to sodium. If you're on a low sodium diet, you can use this information to reduce sodium and increase potassium in your diet. Foods are listed in ascending order based on the ratio of potassium to sodium, from smallest to largest. The rest of this video is self-guided, so you can go directly to foods with the highest ratio of potassium to sodium. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.